Okay. Good morning, student. Last time I have explained exercise 4.3 of quadratic equation, in which we have find out the roots of the quadratic equation according to the condition. Now we will discuss about the nature of roots. Those roots we have find in the last classes. So what the nature of these roots and what the nature of those roots we have find out. So that is the formula, again we remind you. If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a does not equal to 0, you know that if a equal to 0, what will come? That will linear equation, that will not a quadratic equation, and a, b, c are real. That is the condition. So this is the condition for necessary condition. How can we find the nature of the roots? Then roots are given by, you know that nature of roots can given by x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That is also known as quadratic formula, where this quantity is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation, where we can say where d equal to b square minus 4ac, that is called the discriminant. That is also called the discriminant. This is also called the discriminant. If the discriminant nature of root depends upon the d, that is called the discriminant. If d is positive, if d is negative, and d equal to 0, so what are the condition at different stage of d? So if d is greater than 0, suppose that if first condition, if d is greater than 0, it means b square minus 4ac greater than 0. It means if the discriminant is positive, greater than 0 means positive number, any positive real number. If the discriminant is any positive real number, then the roots are real and different. Okay, first condition. If we find out the discriminant by using the value of ABC, if we put the value of ABC, suppose that d is come 25. Okay, so 25 is a positive real number, hence the roots are real and different. Roots are, what will the root? Real and different. Condition 2, if d equal to 0, b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then what will roots? Roots are real and equal. Only this terms is different. You can say these roots are real and these roots are real and equal. Roots will exist also. Roots are also exist. In this case, roots exist because we can find the real and different number. This condition also, in this condition, roots are also exist. Roots are exist. So this is also a condition for existence. This third condition is if d less than 0, it means b square minus 4ac less than 0, then roots are not real and does not exist. Only this one condition is give me the nature of roots that does not exist. In this condition roots are exist, and in this condition roots exist, but only this one condition is there in which the roots does not exist and roots are not real. Does not exist, hence roots are not real. Okay, so these three conditions you have to remember, note down, and you can write in your notebook. Okay, by pause the video. Now come to the exercise. Only this condition you have to follow. Remaining parts are same, just like the previous classes. So come to the exercise. Now come to the question number first. find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. If the rule are real, if the real roots exist, find them. What the question is that? Exercise 4.4, question number 1. Find the roots. Find the roots. Find the nature of the roots. Sorry. Find the nature of roots. Find the nature of roots of the following of quadratic equation. Okay, equation. If real root exists, then find. Then you have to find out. This is the question. So first part we can see question number 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 5. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So how can we find the roots? How can we find the nature of the roots? So first we have to compare by the general form of quadratic equation. What the general form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare this one. So what the value of a equal to 2 and b equal to, you can see 3, and c equal to 5. You can write here. So a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. Using these values, and we can find the nature of roots. For nature, what can we do? For nature, discriminant, we have to find out the discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. So you can find the d. B, what the value of b? Minus 3 square minus 4. A value, what the value of a? 2. C is 5. Okay, d equal to what? 3 is 9 minus 4 to 8, 5 is 40. So d equal to what will come? 31 minus. You can see it's less than 0. Since d is less than 0, according to the previous condition, I have given a third. That is the third condition I have given the previous part. Just now before. If d is less than 0, what the nature of roots? What the nature of the roots? Then the roots are not real and does not exist. Since d less than 0, so 31 minus 31 is less than 0. So d also are less than 0. So roots are not real, hence does not exist. Hence roots does not exist. Okay, in this way we can see. Second part we can do the second question. Second part of first question. 3x square minus 4 root 3x. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Compare by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then a equal to 3, b equal to, you can see that is a b, coefficient of x, that is b, coefficient of x square, that is a, and the constant term, that is c. So b equal to minus of 4 root 3 and c equal to 5. Now find the d. What the d? Because we have to find every condition in d for nature of roots. See, because d tell us what the nature of roots. that is nature of roots depend upon the discriminant, that is called the d. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the values of all these. B value minus 4 root 3 square minus 4, a, what the value of a, 3, and c, 5. You can see d equal to 16 multiply 3 minus 60. Second part. So you can observe there d is the 4ac, 3a. So what the condition second? Second also does not exist. There is a question second 4, 5. Okay, in place of 5 there is 4. Sorry. So you have to find the 4 here. That is also C. Now C will come 4. Do correct this one. There is 4 in place of 5. No? 16 theta 48. So D will become 48 minus 48. So that is D equal to 0. It means what the condition? That is the second condition. Discriminant are 0. It means यहाँ लिखेंगे since D equal to 0. Since D equal to 0, hence roots are real and equal. Okay, so we can find, so the roots are real and equal. If real roots exist, then find. अब say there is root exist, है ना? Roots are real, है? If their roots are real, so we can find, and roots are exist in this condition. So how can we find the roots? X, by taking the x equal to, by taking the for. How can we find the real roots? According to the previous exercises, by the quadratic equation or by the quadratic formula, we can find the roots, real roots. So x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put the all values. So x equal to minus in place of b minus 4 root 3. Okay, minus 4 root 3 plus minus under root, what the value, that is called the d. You can see that b square b square minus 4 is what the value of b square minus 4 is, that is d, that is called z, 0. So that is 0 upon 2a. 2a means what the 2a, what the value of a, 3. Okay, so after that we can find what? X equal to minus 4 root 3 upon 6. Okay, x equal to 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6 minus 2 by root 3. Okay, so x equal to okay, there will come plus. So x equal to what will come? 2 by root 3. X equal to 2 by root 3. So yeah, since there is the quadratic equation, their roots will be 2, but we find only 1. Now what can be written next root? Hence roots are real and equal roots. So second roots will also be same. So roots are 2 by root 3 and 2y root 3. Why we have written both same? Because hence roots are real and equal. If that first root is 2y root 3 and the second will also be 2y root 3. That is dependent. You can see that is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation has two real roots. Okay. In this way we can find the real roots of any equation, any quadratic equation. Find the value of k. Second question. Remaining part you can do same as. Come to the question number second. First, what the question is given you? Find the value of k for each of the following equations so that they have two equal roots. Two equal. What the condition? Two equal roots. Two equal roots. This condition is given you. Equal roots means discriminant is equal to 0. This means discriminant equal to 0. It means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. और given में क्या है? First part. You have to use this condition for these two parts. First given you 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. So you have to find the value then, so that they have find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. Two equal roots and then find the value. Nature of roots you have given. It will be two equal roots means d equal to 0, discriminant equal to 0, or you can say b square minus 4ac equal to 0, and also given you 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. What we have to find out? K equal to question mark. What we have to find? K equal to question mark. So with the help of this condition we have to find the value of this k from this quadratic equation. So as you know that discriminant by compare by a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to what? 2, b equal to k and c equal to 3. You can see a is the coefficient of this one, coefficient of x, that is b, and the constant term, that is c. So a, b, c. Now we have given the b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now you can know that for equal roots we can find b square d equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac equal to 0, and put the value of b, k whole square minus 4a 2c 3 equal to 0, k square 24 equal to 0, k square equal to 24, then k equal to root 24. Okay, you can simplify. So in this way we can find the value of k equal to 20 under root 24, or you can simplify by factorization 2 root 6. Okay, so what the value of k? Find the value of k so that the roots are real for the quadratic equation, this one. Similarly you can do the second part. Now come to the third question. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? Yeah, suppose the rectangular mango grove means just like a rectangular design. Okay, rectangular design, we have to make the rectangular design whose breadth and length are given in the form of this one. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? Length is twice of breadth, so we have to assume breadth. In such a condition we have to assume suppose that let the breadth of rectangular groove is x according to the unit meters, so you have to use the meter, x meter. Okay, x meter. Then the breadth, then the length, then the length of this. What will length? Length is the twice the breadth. Twice the breadth means this breadth is x and then length will 2x. Twice means 2x. Now come to the next line, and the area is 800 meters square. Area also given you. Area equal to 800 meters square. Okay. Now area is 100. To find the length, and if so, find its length and width. If so means if this condition is follow, then what will the length and breadth of this rectangular group? So we have to find out the length and breadth of the rectangular group. How can we find? So according to question, what the value of area? Length into breadth. You know area, what the area of rectangle. You can write here otherwise. Area of rectangle. You given 800 meters. Area of rectangle, what will? Length into breadth. Length into breadth equal to 800 meter square. So what the length is 2x and the breadth is x. Okay, you are giving the length and breadth, length or breadth. Put the value these two and 800 meter square. Okay, it means 2x square equal to 800 meter square. 800 meter square. So x square equal to 400, then x equal to under root 400. So x equal to plus minus 20. Okay, so length cannot be negative, so we take only, what can we write? Length x equal to 20 or minus 20. Length cannot be negative. Then length 2x, 2 into 20 equal to 40 meter, and hence and breadth what is breadth equal to x equal to 20 meter. Okay, in this way we can find the length and breadth. So similarly you can do the another one question. Okay, these are the concept of 4.4. In this way you can do the all question. Just I have given, only some question are left, so you can do. Okay, next time I will start. I think if you have any problem, you can ask me directly via the messages or the comments, or if there is no problem, otherwise I will start to next chapter.